Hi everyone, Vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making India's most popular dish ever, butter chicken. So this is a two-part recipe. The first part we have to marinate and grill the chicken. The second part is tomato makhani gravy. Makhani is butter and that's going to be our base. So just these simple two steps and we will have a great dish. So we'll use boneless chicken for this recipe. We have both thighs and breast pieces here and cut into medium-sized pieces. And I'm using 500 grams of chicken. Let's marinate. We'll add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Remember, always for grilling and tandoori dishes, we always add mustard oil. Half teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice or lime juice, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, half cup Greek yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 heaped teaspoon Kashmiri Chilli powder, gives it a nice color, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon kasoori methi leaves, just gently crushed. And lastly, I have your nutmeg, around 1 pinch of freshly grated nutmeg powder. Just this 1 pinch of nutmeg will really lift your dish. That's all the ingredients we need for our marination. Let's give it all a good mix and marinate it for at least 2 hours, minimum 2 hours or overnight. So there is one extra step to this. It's to give that smoke flavor, because we don't have a tandoor at our home, so this will help infuse that smoke, the char smell, the grill smell to our chicken. So skip it if you don't want to do this extra step, but do not skip it if you want this to be that authentic, delicious restaurant style dish, butter chicken. Do not skip this part. It's easy, just do it. So just going to place a steel bowl in between the chicken, and I have a hot burning coal here, adding a few drops of oil and cover it. So we'll let the chicken rest and also smoke for about 10 minutes. So once we've done smoking the chicken, we will marinate it for 2 hours or overnight in the fridge. So once the chicken is marinated, just take it out from the fridge 30 minutes before you're ready to grill. And I'm going to grill it in my air fryer today. It's just easy, it makes my life easy, cleaning easy, everything easy. You don't want to do it in an air fryer, do it in an oven, bake it, grill it, do it on a pan, do it however you want to. So I did preheat my air fryer for 2 minutes and it's ready. We grill in the chicken pieces in batches. So in it goes in the air fryer. So I'm going to grill the chicken on maximum crisp for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I'm going to baste it with butter, and I'm going to repeat it again. So our chicken has been grilling for 5 minutes now. I'm going to turn it and I'm going to baste it, and then I'm going to grill it for another, I think 3 minutes should be enough, not 5. So chicken is done. Let's check. There, we have perfect char marks. Our chicken is cooked. It's nice and smoky, delicious. We'll take this out and we'll do the other batch. Our chicken is grilled, ready. Keep it aside and let's get on with our tomato makhani gravy. We need 3 large tomatoes peeled. I'm using 1 small shallot. This is basically tomato based gravy, so we need more of tomato. I'm just adding this shallot only for flavor. Around 1 tablespoon of roughly chopped ginger, 5 cloves of garlic, a couple of stems of coriander, a small piece of cinnamon, 1 bay leaf, 3 green cardamom, 8 cashew nuts, 2 whole dried Kashmiri chilies, half tablespoon of dried kasoori methi leaves, 1 mace, I've crushed it. This is basically the raw ingredients that we need for our tomato makhani gravy. Heat a pan on medium flame, add 1 tablespoon of butter, add 1 tablespoon of oil, cooking oil, Add roughly sliced onion. We'll add in the rest of the ingredients that I mentioned before. Give it a mix. Salt to taste. So we let the tomatoes cook down till it's soft and mushy. Add half a cup of water. Cover and cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. I've turned off the flame. The tomatoes have completely disintegrated and it's a nice pulp now. We let it cool down and then we'll blend it into a nice smooth paste. Okay, so now our tomato gravy has cooled down. Let's make a fine puree of it. You can see already this gravy is smooth, but we're going to make it more smooth by straining it through a sieve. So this was our two-part preparation. We've grilled our chicken and we've made our tomato makhani gravy. Let's put it all together and make a beautiful and gorgeous and delicious butter chicken. Heat a pan on medium flame. Add a tablespoon of butter. Add in a few strands of ginger julienne and 1 green chili that I've split into half. Saute it for a few seconds. Add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder. This will add to the color, the vibrant color that butter chicken has. Just a few seconds and then we'll add in our tomato makhani gravy. Set the flame to low and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Because we've added 3 tomatoes and it's acidic, so to balance the acid we'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar. That will balance our dish perfectly. Our gravy has started to thicken now. It's bubbling. Now's the time we add in our grilled chicken. Another 5 minutes and then we're good to go. We add in 1/4 cup of cream. Give it a good mix. All done. Turn off the flame. Let's serve this. You know this recipe is a winner, so please do not give it a miss and do try it. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time with another good recipe. Take care. Bye-bye.